Hello, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders. I'm going to go over the top plays for tomorrow, January 19th. First off, we got Megl. This was a nice bounce play today. Holding up pretty well into the close. Has some resistance up ahead at 3.5, but if demand really starts picking up, it's a lower float, lower market cap. Has history of moving. If we get that 3.5 reclaim, we can see at least 4. It's a pretty good angle. After that, we can see 4.5. So just looking for the breakout there. Bbai, still waiting on that multi-day bounce. Had some bottoming action today, so maybe tomorrow we get something. But just once again looking for that high day break. It was a weak one today. Nothing great. Volume was kind of weak, but still keep this on watch for a multi-day bounce. Same thing with Clxt. Way off the highs. Incredible push from under 20 cents to about 55. And now we're back in the 20s. So way off the highs, could be due for a bounce. Selling is faded bunch. It's headed a lot lower, but the volume doesn't match it. So it could be an indicator of a possible reversal soon, as there's not much selling pressure to push it lower. You might see some profit takers on the short side, which would be buying to cover. And here we are, AMV. We had a weak little bounce here, ended up retreating, and we still push lower and on lower and lower volume. So this is the same thinking here. Could be due for a bounce way off the highs, a monster move on the front side. So hopefully this results in a nice bounce as well. Lastly, Atxi. Not quite a multi-day bounce. Same pattern, it just didn't get to the 150% minimum spike that I'd like to see with a multi-day bounce. But this one had some decent volume. It's got some eyes on it. Why not give it a shot for a multi-day bounce, as it's retreated a lot of its gains here. So that's top watches so far for tomorrow. I'll post a watch list soon on Twitter if you want to go through the whole thing.